what's happening? Yo, what the frick is going on, man? Y'all here from another video, cause last time you guys saw from when I started this thing, so now you see where it's at now. You dig what I'm saying? But look, I'm literally just genuinely like almost finished up. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. You dig what I'm saying? We're still doing daily uploads. That has not stopped. How long have we been doing? Dog, we've been doing daily uploads for so freaking long. Holy cow, bro. Yeah, man. Shoot, man. Hey, but yeah, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post on a regular there. Please go check us out. But if you guys don't follow us yet, go ahead and do that. And also too, we got a business course too for you guys. We also have a business course for those who want to start a business and don't know how. If you do have a business and you further want to enhance it, it's the best course I've ever took myself. I even showcase you guys this on my channel. On our channel. And I'd appreciate if you guys go check that out. It's in the description box. But it's really for the best of your benefit. Because if you talk about right now, you want to make a change. You say you want to make a change, but you don't know how, what steps. Hey, you got to learn something, dog. You got to do something different to be something different. You dig? Yeah, and also too, I want to say we got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And we cannot forget about our amazing apparel. We got our Origine Forward socks, Origine hats, maroon, and we got it in blue, navy as well. Like it's amazing, man. It's really amazing. I'm very proud. We expect to, don't be surprised if you see more content on there, you dig? We also got our American images on our shirts, on our decals and whatnot. It's a lot of great stuff there, but you know, it's all amazing. And I really want you guys to check out the art pieces too, because this is stuff that you've seen us craft, and this is a lot of stuff. We took even a quarter of a year in order to cultivate some of this stuff, and we got it listed on there. So please go check us out. Yeah. And now on to this video. After you've liked, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. You know, just finishing up, I've been doing Fingercoils in a 2-strand twist. Yeah. I've noticed the difference. It looks like there's a lot more ripples and there's a lot more thickness, per se, you dig? Yeah. Just kind of want to go through, pick the ones that I'm doing. That's the Fingercoil. You can just tell the difference. Like I said, I'm finishing up. Want to get the mist right. Spray bottle helps. I've already, got the shower. This is earlier where you guys saw. Put aloe, virgin olive oil, coconut oil. You dig? And just want to pinch. Just want to pinch. Pinch from the root. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm grabbing it right there. Just want to pinch. Like I said, it's already a hairstyle, and I think this is really well to show you that you can restyle a hairstyle with the current hairstyle. You don't necessarily have to start from scratch. You dig? Here we go. And I'm just walking it down. Just literally almost I'm finger to finger. It's like imagine like you're rope climbing. You're rope climbing when you keep rope climbing with your hands like tight knits together. That's all. Mm-hmm. I'm just doing whatever way you want to do it. You want to do it clockwise or counterclockwise. As long as you get it. As long as you get it. Just walking us through. That's all. Just want to go through and fill stuff out. That's how you don't lose your place, when you just feel your way out through your finger. Trace where your fingers at. I just hold it to the closest part to the scalp, and you won't lose you're less likely to lose your place. It's very accurate. I don't know why people on YouTube don't talk about it, but hey, it's there. Because we cannot see behind our head, and some people say you need all these mirrors and whatnot, and I'm not against using a mirror in order to see, but all these mirrors in order to, like, as if it's needed, trace the back of your head, trace it out. I'm just moving my fingers. I'm just moving my fingers closest part to the last one, and then find relocating other ones. You dig? Uh-huh. If you're doing this without listening to anything as far as an aside, like when you're doing your hair, one thing I can say, this is your sequence in order to think. Because you will do a lot of thinking. A lot of thinking. A lot of thinking. Oh, it's a finger. Is this a finger coil? Yeah, this is like a finger coil. It's very loose. Very loose. I'm about to redo that. Hold on. Let's see. Last one per se. But I gotta do touch ups, of course. Have you ever catch me just in quiet? Because I'm just focused. That's all. Just retwisting. Using a directional base. Got one at the top. I'm going to have to redo this up. I see that. Yep. I want to restart this one. All right, I got wet. I'm going to wipe the oil. We're not doing that anymore. Like I told you, this is a time for a quote-unquote time for thinking. I say that for sure. You know, kind of like too. Just want to make sure when you're doing this, you don't get, you don't twist other patterns with other patterns, bro. You just don't twist other patterns with other patterns. Huh. Oh. Just don't twist other patterns with other patterns. So. Wow. Here we go. Finito. Finito, finito. You know, I like to. Uh-huh. There you go. What y'all think? How y'all think it look? Yeah, here it is. This one is finished. Let me see. I see this right here. I had to touch that. Let me tighten that. But yeah, this how it looks. Let me know what y'all think how it looks, yo. Hey, look at that. I like this. Ooh, how I look, y'all. Let me know, y'all. Okay, yeah. Let me show y'all too. Hold on. It still feathers up too, by the way. Man just has to do his hair. You dig? Feel me? But yeah, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I get with the stuff in the description box. You dig? You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just DM us on Instagram. You dig? Post that in a regular. You dig? Get with our course in the description box. Check out our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And we also have our American apparel there as well. Great things to come for sure. Give it the links in the description box, y'all. Peace, love, and light.